Welcome back to the channel, your go-to spot for the hottest car news, reviews, and reveals. And today, buckle up, because the legend is back. Dodge has just unveiled the 2026 Dodge Viper GTS, and trust me, this is a comeback nobody saw coming. The Viper has always been raw, brutal, and unapologetically American, and this new GTS keeps the DNA alive, but with a modern twist. At the heart of it sits a massive 8.4-liter naturally aspirated V10. Yes, the V10 lives on. It's been refined to crank out over 750 horsepower and nearly 680 pound-feet of torque. And the best part? Power goes straight to the rear wheels through a 6-speed manual transmission. Purists, this one's for you. Numbers? 0 to 60 in about 3 seconds flat. Top speed? Over 210 miles per hour. That puts it toe-to-toe with Ferrari, Lamborghini, even McLaren, but at a price point starting around $120,000. Talk about value. And the design? It's still a Viper, long hood, wide stance, aggressive curves. But now it's sleeker, sharper, more aerodynamic. Up front, you get redesigned LED headlights and huge intakes. Outback quad exhausts and an active rear wing that means business. Inside, Dodge finally went modern. A fully digital gauge cluster, racing buckets with heating and cooling, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, everything you need for daily life, without losing that track-focused soul. Handling has leveled up to lightweight carbon fiber and aluminum chassis, adjustable suspension, carbon ceramic brakes, and sticky Michelin tires. And yes, it still demands respect, but now it's refined enough to be more than just a weekend toy. So here's the big question: has Dodge just built the ultimate American supercar? Can the 2026 Viper GTS really take down the Italians and Germans at their own game? Drop your thoughts in the comments, we want to hear from you. And if you love this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss the next big reveal. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.